In gardens across the world, roses stand as the epitome of natural beauty and timeless elegance. These iconic flowers, with their lush velvety petals and intoxicating fragrance, have captivated the hearts of many for centuries. Roses come in a stunning array of colors, each with its own unique symbolism. Red roses, the classic emblem of love and passion, convey deep emotions with their rich, vibrant hue. White roses symbolize purity and innocence, often gracing weddings and special ceremonies. Meanwhile, pink roses represent admiration and gratitude, and yellow roses bring a message of joy and friendship. Beyond their visual and aromatic allure, roses play a significant role in culture and history. They have been immortalized in art, literature, and mythology. From Shakespeare's sonnets to Van Gogh's canvases, the rose has been a muse, a symbol, and a subject of endless fascination. Cultivating roses can be a rewarding endeavor, connecting gardeners to tradition that spans millennia. These plants, while requiring care and attention, reward their tenders with blooms that are both visually stunning and deeply fragrant. Whether climbing a trellis, sprawling as ground cover, or standing tall as a bush, roses enhance any garden with their undeniable charm. In the world of floristry, roses reign supreme. Their versatility makes them suitable for any occasion, from grand celebrations to heartfelt condolences. A single rose can speak volume, making it a favorite choice for those wishing to convey sincere emotions without uttering a word. Ultimately, roses are more than just flowers. They are a universal symbol of beauty, love, and enduring elegance. Their perennial allure ensures that they remain beloved across cultures and generations, continuing to inspire and enchant all who encounter them. As we admire the grace and elegance of roses, we recognize their ability to evoke profound emotions and create lasting memories. They remind us that beauty can be both delicate and resilient, fleeting yet eternal. In a world constantly changing, the timeless allure of roses endures, offering a perennial source of inspiration and joy.